Hey, Dana here, welcome to my vlog. And this is I Spy a Stang. And you see what I spy? It is an 08, and it is a Mustang 2. V8 Mustang Mach 1. Oh my God. Automatic. Holy cow. Who knew? Mustang 2. This is what I got my driver's license in. But it is a Mach 1. Oh my word, with a V8. Green, T-tops, vinyl interior, and an automatic. Wow. Holy cow. Talk about a classic. Oh man, got the 302 motor in it, and it's an automatic. Didn't know they made them in automatics. Here you go, boys and girls, they're still on the road. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. We'll catch you on the next Dana Crosby's I Spy a Stang. 77.